This 5-minute solution will show you how to stream Netflix on Discord without black screen on mobile. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to do it. First of all, you have to open Netflix on browser. So open your browser and type netflix.com. And here, make sure to sign into your Netflix account. Once done, go to your Discord app and go to the server where you want to stream your Netflix. And now you have to join a voice channel. Now turn on camera and tap on screen share. Tap on start broadcast. Now you can turn off your camera. Now all you have to need, just go to your browser or you're watching your Netflix and your Netflix is streaming on your Discord. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.